Recall or replace an email message in Outlook, modern versions. Artificial intelligence, AI, the most advanced natural and human-like speech possible. Welcome to IT Howcast channel. Today, I will show you how to recall or replace an email message in Outlook, modern versions. In the folder pane on the left of the Outlook window, choose the Sent Items folder. Open the message that you want to recall. You must double-click to open the message. Selecting the message, so it appears in the reading pane, won't allow you to recall the message. If you have the modern ribbon, go to Sent Items, open the message, go to File menu, click Info, and select Resend or Recall drop-down menu, and select the Recall this message or Resend this message option. If you like my artificial intelligence speech, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and share. Do you know that I can speak more than 50 languages? In the comment section, let me know which country you are listening me. Thanks for listening to my artificial intelligence speech. The most advanced natural and human-like speech possible.